Stijn, how you doing?
Hi, doing great. Early morning, first talk of the show, but yes.
Yeah, well, it's traditional, isn't it?
Yes.
From Berlin to Bristol,
everywhere.
First thing in the morning. So this is kind of a different. We covered your modules. In fact, I've reviewed the Bob and Steve, which I thought was great. But you'll be working on something very different, right?
Yes, we've been working on this for many years already. It's been a bit underground. This is the Bink Keybed. It's a new piano action. It's my take on our take on what I think a synthesizer keybed should be like. Like you have, you can go from the extremely cheap to the very expensive, but somehow if you go more expensive, things start to look more and more like a piano with hammers and everything you associate with a grand piano, instead of something that feels more luxurious into the synthesizer side of things.
Yeah.
So from that starting point, we started designing something that we feel would be the nicest instrument we could play on, still within the synthesizer space. So after a whole bunch of development, this is it. I have big plans for my own product with this keybed, which will be unveiled some years from now. But for now, we're also launching this for other manufacturers to make their synthesizers around. It's a polyphonic aftertouch style keyboard. It has analog distance sensing per key. It's extremely accurate, so it already started.
So you've got that super sensitivity, and you can, yes. If you touch the key and something can happen.
Yes, so very lightly down, it already sends you data. When you bottom out into the aftertouch zone, we have a bit of an extra thing inside. But on the side, you can change how the aftertouch feels. So you can either bottom out very hard, like it's like a piano pock, or you can put it more spongy, and you have a more deeper landing zone for that. You can also adjust the spring tension, so all the springs get adjusted at the same time, so you can make it heavier or lighter, depending on your playing preference. So more organ-like or more counterforce for the precision playing. We have all the sensors hidden in a waterproof cavity, so you can put your beer over it and it will just survive.
Yeah, the synth may break, but the keyboard will be fine.
Exactly. Well, most of the synth might survive as well, because the fluid can't go into the machine from there on. Yeah. We also there's a distinct visual feature that the rounded corners. It's, of course, it's a bit of vanity because we like the looks, but after like 30 years, a lot of keyboards start having this inside crack.
So you remove the stress point.
Yeah,
right.
We remove the stress point, so that it should also survive a bit longer than usual. We have a whole sustainability drive within our company. So all the white keys are mass-produced from recycled refrigerators. So your keyboard is already cool before you get it.
Nice.
The black keys will be recycled from internet routers, those black little boxes everybody has at home these days.
Okay.
All the aluminum base, it's a massive aluminum base on the bottom, so it's actually very rigid and solid on the table. It's also post-industrial scrap. The technical plastics are all bio-based and made with renewable energy. We're operating the whole factory itself as solar as we can, so it's trying to do the right thing. What else can we say about this? We're making it in one octave to 88 key versions for anyone that wants. We have all the keys are balanced to well within concert piano level weight class. Like the difference between the playing force on this key versus this key will be less than 1/10 of a gram. And I think 1 gram is what they tune all the concert pianos to.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know. Gosh, yeah. I bet you found out a lot about keyboards you didn't know.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to annoy all your viewers now very much. Keys are not the same width. Like some of the white keys are slightly different size than all the other ones, and same with the spacing between the black keys. It's not uniform. It's never been, but now you can't unsee it. But yeah, so there's hundreds of features in here that.
So we're not going sort of lateral movement. It's all,
no.
but the soft touch.
Yeah.
I mean, we've seen. I mean, I guess Osmos is the only one I can think of where you literally just, barely touch. So you can use that data to transition whatever your synth engine is
exactly
going to be doing.
And there's some synthesizer companies lined up that are going to be releasing something next year, Superbooth.
Yeah, but so the idea is with this that you're making this keybed in the same way that Fatar do, and
yes.
that will be available to other manufacturers.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So is it Will you be manufacturing them, or are you licensing the technology?
We are manufacturing the keybed, and then we just ship boxes with those mechanics to other people. We are building an entire automated production facility to crank these out by whatever number we need to crank out.
How do you measure it? Is it keys per minute or keys per second?
We do keybeds per 3 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So one 4-octave keybed should be ready every 3 minutes.
Oh, right.
And that's, but it's sort of the design goal, because we calculate if we want to ever recoup our costs for all the molds and things, we need to be able to produce a certain number per year. And if we want to reach that number, we need to at most spend 6 minutes per 4 octaves. So we design for 3, and then we have some time to pack them up and ship them.
Wow, okay. So will you be just sending the naked keybeds, or are you going to be sort of in charge of putting them into the synthesizer cases as well? Because I'd imagine that would be a thing too.
We just do the naked keybeds, because then we already have a very limited amount of space and time. So getting this done is our core focus for now.
Right. And so when are they? You say that there are people already kind of thinking about them or putting them in. So is this? When are you pressing the button and turning the handle on the?
This December and January, we're getting the first production keys back. Then we start cranking the handle. The first round we'll do is special developer kits where synthesizer builders can just get to grips with what kind of data comes out of this, and they have a nice a bit of manual and a bit of software and just an example synthesizer to see what this is like. And then early January we start preparing the first run that goes to customers that build actual keyboards with this.
And so, I mean, in terms of pricing, I mean, is it likely to add a lot to a basic keyboard, or I mean, is it a pre?
We have set a price target, and of course, after the dust settles, the price might fluctuate a bit. But the developer kits will ship for about 240 euros, I think. And the 4-octave finished module, we hope to be able to sell to other manufacturers for 200 euros a pop.
Right. Okay. So that's. I mean, I have no idea what other off-the-shelf keybeds cost, but that sounds like probably quite reasonable.
It's not cheap, but it's like proper instrument grade. So it's not a cheap piece of plastic anymore. So there's cheaper options, but there's definitely.
They don't do this.
Yeah, there's also no more. It's a bit weird to say, but there's also no more expensive options. There's just nothing in this class.
Okay, so you found the gap in the market. Stijn, thank you very much. All the best of luck with it. It looks like a very exciting project.
Yeah, thank you so much for covering it.